A variety of HealthShare solution modules can be deployed using the InterSystems Package Manager, or IPM. In this video, you will see how to deploy a module from InterSystems Payer Services, but the same process applies to any HealthShare solution module available through IPM. The installation involves 4 main steps. Check that you meet the prerequisites, download the module, prepare configuration files if needed, and finally, deploy and verify installation. Before starting the deployment, confirm that you have the required setup. The main prerequisite is a running instance of your base product, likely InterSystems Iris for Health, with IPM installed. You can also download the latest IPM release from the IPM GitHub repo, then import and compile it in your instance. To verify that IPM is installed for your instance, run the command zpm in the InterSystems Iris terminal. You should see the IPM version returned. Depending on the module you're installing, there may be other requirements outlined in the product documentation. In this video, we will install the Coverage Requirements Discovery module of InterSystems Payer Services, which requires a secure web server running alongside the instance. This module also requires that Java be installed. You can confirm installation from the command line by checking for the version. IPM allows you to install modules for online instances and for those not connected to the internet. If your instance is online and you have added the InterSystems package registry to your installation, you can pull modules directly. For instances running in an isolated environment, such as behind a firewall, you must download the module and manually load it into your instance. This is the method we will show here. If you're downloading a solution module this way, you must have Python installed. To download a solution module, you can use Orus, a command line tool for working with artifact repositories. Orus can be installed through the command line. Find the module that you would like to install within the InterSystems package registry and copy the Orus command. Next, follow the steps for downloading IPM packages for an offline environment. Log into the IPM registry from the command line, then run the Orus command to install the IPM module. This downloads a .tgz file called a tarball that contains your IPM module. Next, you may need to create configuration files for the module that you're installing. The 2 most common configuration files for an IPM installation are the JSON config file and the CPF merge file. The config file contains runtime settings like credentials, OAuth clients, and HTTP services. Refer to your module's documentation for required fields and examples. It is strongly recommended that you install IPM modules in your own user-defined namespace and database. If these have not already been defined for your instance, you should do this configuration with a CPF merge file. In most cases, you can update the specifications of a CPF merge template to match your installation, modifying the namespace and the paths to the tarball, config files, and databases. After saving both of the configuration files, you can deploy the module from the command line. First, run the iris merge command. If your module does not require a CPF merge file, you can use the zpm load command and specify the path to the tarball. When prompted, enter your instance credentials. To verify your installation, open an Iris terminal, then enter the IPM shell by running the command zpm. Within the IPM shell, run list-installed to see a list of all installed IPM modules on your instance. Refer to this process anytime you need to install a solution module in IPM.